I kind of feel sorry for students who are in a classroom this week because when the weather gets nice, and we've had some good weather, and we're going to have some more, it's tough to be studying.
Oh, yes.
I remember when I was in college, we had this like big, long area of some grass. Better for me to tell the story if you can actually hear me. So when I was in college, we had this like big area of grass, and as soon as it was nice outside, trying to find a spot to sit was almost impossible. So you're sitting on your neighbors trying to get some work done outside. But yeah, today ended up kind of being a mix of things out there. We had a cold front that moved through earlier today with some rain showers, but then it ended up being a pretty nice afternoon. So this is what we were looking at earlier. So this was the rain associated with that cold front that moved through earlier, and most of the rain was actually out of our area by about lunchtime, and that was able to give us a pretty nice afternoon. But we ended up with a huge disparity in temperatures. Kind of take a look at this. Through areas of northern Maine where the cold front moved through earlier in the day, high temperatures only in the upper 60s to lower 70s. However, where we were able to see some more sunshine, areas through southern coastal Maine got into the upper 80s, 90-degree high temperature in Portsmouth, Rhode Island today. So it really speaks to kind of the power of this cold front here, which is going to continue to move from north to south throughout the rest of this evening. Once again, a big difference in the dew point temperatures as well. Dew points in the upper 40s to lower 50s through areas of northern Maine. However, still very humid along the southern coast, so it kind of felt like summer in southern Maine today and felt like fall in northern Maine. Now we all get into the fall-like action tomorrow because our high temperatures, once that high pressure rolls in, for most of us will only be in the low to mid 70s, which is below average for this time of year. However, once that high pressure moves in, we end up with plenty of sunshine. It's going to be a really beautiful stretch for both tomorrow and Friday. Keep in mind, overnight low temperatures are going to be a bit on the cool side, upper 40s to lower 50s, but really just plenty of sunshine throughout the afternoon, high temps in the lower 70s, a really great fall-like stretch coming up. But then things change as we start to get into the holiday weekend. We're going to have another system that'll be approaching that'll give us some more rain chances for the weekend. So we've been watching the timing of this cold front that'll move through Saturday. I think the first half of Saturday looks pretty good, but then we start to see some rain showers and some embedded thunderstorms move throughout the area through in the afternoon and early evening. Rain continues overnight. I think we could see some scattered showers lingering throughout the early morning, especially on Sunday. And then we end up with some clearing in the afternoon. But then a trough moves in right behind this system, so that kind of gives us another chance of showers late Sunday night into early Monday. Right now, though, Monday has been trending a little bit drier, but as we go into this holiday weekend, just keep the umbrella handy just in case. Marine forecast seas 2 to 3 feet, ocean temps 65. So here's a look at our 7-day forecast coming up. I think the next 2 days are going to be really nice. I put the like perfectly sunny icon. Really going to feel like fall, high temps in the lower 70s, very, very comfortable. But guys, as we go into the weekend, it's not going to be a washout weekend. You just kind of have to pick and choose what parts of the day you'll want to be outside. Humidity is also going to creep up a little bit. So summer's not over yet if you're still trying to hold on.
We are, desperately.
I certainly am.
Thank you, Dana.